What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Cappuccino Assassino. Let's begin today's lesson. On the top of our page, we're going to draw a curve for the bottom edge of the lid. Let's start over on the left. We're going to bend this up in the middle and then curve that back down towards the right. Now on the ends, we're just going to angle this up and then in towards the top of the lid. And we'll close out the top with another curve. From the outside corners of the lid, we're going to angle the body coming down. So let's start on the left, angle this down with a straight line. I'll bring this down to right about there. And do the same thing on the right, coming down toward the same height. Let's round out the corner, come straight across towards the right, and then round this out. Now we're going to go back up to the top. We're going to draw another curve from left to right for the bottom edge of the headband. And then we'll move down and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Going all the way around, and then up. Now leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. Along the top of the eyes, add a small circle for a highlight. Now let's move down, draw another curve, going up towards the eyes, and then back down. Come all the way down, draw a straight line going across. Now we're going to go back and fill the inside of the eyes in black, going around those highlights. Now underneath the headband, we're going to draw two straight angled lines for the eyebrows, coming down and then in. Let's add that metal plate. We're going to start from the very top. We're going to leave a gap, add a curve going across from left to right, round the corners and come straight down. I want to round out the bottom, curve this across towards the right side. Let's add a small circle on each corner for the rivets. And I'll add that symbol in the center. We're going to start over on the top right. Just going to swirl this around. Come down in the middle. On the top right, angle this up. Let's go over toward the left side, angle this down towards the bottom. Round this out and come in towards the bottom. Now I'm going to go back and add a seam across the top. We're going to step up, add a curve going across from left to right. Let's draw the bottom of the headband, starting on the left, going out and then up. Flatten this off, and then taper this back in towards the side. Let's add one more, coming down and out. Flatten off the end, then again, tapering this back in. Now I'm going to come all the way down towards the bottom and draw on the legs. Let's start on the left side, bend the leg going out and then down towards the ankle. Do the same thing on the right. Round up the bottom of the legs. And we'll follow that same curve going around the outside and up underneath the body. Let's go to the inside of the ankle, curve the heel, coming in and then down. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, go up to the outside of the ankle, angle this down on top of the foot. Now we're going to add a thick sole across the bottom. Let's take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to draw the arms holding two swords. From this line, step down, bend the arm coming down and out towards the wrist, and then we'll line that up on the right side. From the wrist, we're going to curl the thumb, going up and then down, round out the thumb, and then bend that back up. Now on the outside of the thumb, we're going to draw three fingers. Let's start from the side, draw a half oval, going out and then in. Come down to the bottom, draw that again. We'll tuck that up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with that first finger, add in the second, and then the third. Now I want to place the bottom of the handle underneath that bottom finger. the two lines coming down, and then flatten off the bottom. And then from the inside of the handle, just underneath the finger, curve the palm coming in, and then up, step down, bend the arm coming in towards the side of the body. Now I'm going to go to the top of the hand, I'm going to draw an oval in behind, starting from the side of the finger, we're going to go out, go around on top of the thumb, and then back in. On top of the hilt, we're going to curve the two blades. Let's start from the inside. We're going to go up at an angle, bend that in towards the top. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, and then in. Just flatten off the top, straight angled line. Now I'm going to follow this curve coming back down. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Cappuccino Assassino. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.